Las Vegas. As we make our way to our gate, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until we have come to a complete stop at our gate, and most importantly, the pilots have turned off the fasten seatbelt sign overhead. At that time, check around your seating area for any items that you may have brought on board, and use caution when you open the bins overhead, as items may have moved during our flight. If your mobile devices are within reach, feel free to use them at this time. And if you checked in any baggage this morning, you can claim it here on carousel number 23. That's carousel 23. It's been our pleasure to have you on board with us today. We sure do hope you enjoyed your Virgin America experience, and you'll come back and see us again real soon. And have a great day here in Las Vegas.